Hi guys, it's me, Ursula Thomas, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, y'all miss me? Okay guys, so anyway, you guys know, the ones that have been following me, that this is a thrifting channel. But today I want to start off a little different. I wanted to start off by reading you guys something. And the ones that know me by now, you guys know that I am a follower of our Lord in Jesus Christ. So I wanted to read this to you. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. And I also wanted to read Psalms. Hold on, guys. I should have had it read it, but I did. It says, "In you, Lord, I have taken refuge. Let me never be put to shame. Deliver me in your righteousness. Turn your ear to me. Come quickly to my rescue. Be my rock of refuge, a strong fortress to save me. Since you are my rock and my fortress, for the sake of your name, lead and guide me. Keep me free from the traps that is set for me, for you are my refuge. And to your hands I commit my spirit. Deliver me, Lord, my faithful God." And I want to read that because with everything going on, I never want to make light of anything that's going on in our world today. And with everything going on, I feel like so many people just need to be encouraged and to know this, especially that if you are a follower of Jesus Christ, it's just the Bible fulfilling itself, and that end times are definitely here, but we can take refuge in God. We don't have to walk around in fear. We can use wisdom because God gave us wisdom. He gave us the understanding to see and to know what's going on, but we don't have to walk around in fear. We can take refuge in Him, and He said that it will come, we will see it, but it won't come nigh us or our families, and we have to stand on that and believe that. And if it has for whatever reason became immediate to you, you can know this, that God is a healer, He's a deliverer, and He can set you free, and that every sickness is not unto death, in Jesus' name. Now, have I stopped thrifting? Now, a lot of this though is thrifting I had did way back before any corona or COVID-19 or anything like that had hit. You guys know I went thrifting with my daughter from the Salvation Army. I never showed you guys that haul. So today we're going to do the Salvation Army haul, and it's a quick little haul. But I still have 2 more bags I have to share with you guys. So I'm probably going to do this video and then change so I can look kind of different, and then come back and do another video. So, hey, let's hit it, y'all. We still hit it. We need some normality in our life. I am the normality, okay? You heard me? So are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get this done. All of my old subbies that been down with me, you know I got much love for you guys. And all of my new subbies, thank you guys so much for joining the family. Now, we got to talk about these passerbys that watch and not subbing. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Subscribe. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I ain't gonna bite you. Don't be scared. But just show me some love and subscribe, because I do see that I have a lot that watch, but they are not subscribed. Now, don't be like me, because a lot of times I thought I was subscribed to people channel chat. I was just watching up stone. One bit more subscribed. I felt shame. I was like, oh my God, I've been enjoying that content, but I have not subscribed. Okay. So if you enjoy this content, please, please, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification button so you'll know. You'll see me. You'll see me. Now, let's get into this haul. We're going to start off with this. This is the haul, guys, where I went with my daughter to the Savvy. We're going to call it the Savvy. And if y'all probably, no, I didn't show you guys this, but oh my God. And I do not need another piece of leather. But for $2.50, and it feels like butter. Can't wear it right now. Now, some places you probably still could. It's a little warm right now for it, but I wasn't going to leave it. I'm going to lay it right here. Next thing I got, and guys, you guys have already seen this, so I tried it on in the mirror, in the Savvy, but it's these vintage gingham print pants with the gold. But it was something about they butt, huh? They believed in detail, child. They definitely vintage. They definitely high-waisted. I think they can be, now these I can wear now. I think they can be styled so nice. Child, I'm watching thrift, not a thrift haul, I'm watching my girl vlog. I like vlogs if it's entertaining. And I'm watching her vlog, but I can't hear what she's saying. I'll watch it again when I go work out. But yeah, so they are high-waisted. They are definitely vintage. Who are they? Liz Claiborne. And they so thin. Can y'all see how thin they are? They so thin and comfortable. And I think they're going to be so nice in the springtime. Next thing I got, y'all seen these. I tried these on. Now, these are a little heavy. So, I love the style of them. Y'all saw them. I think they'll be so cute right now with a white collar shirt. I wouldn't even try to do nothing fancy. Just a white collar shirt and some sandals, I think would be so nice. Especially you go somewhere like it's a little cool at night. You going on a date. But this what got me, child. Look at that. I love a wide leg. And they had it fold up. They've been fold up ever since I went with my daughter because I want to share with you guys. The next thing I got was this pantsuit. I cannot pass up a nice pantsuit. It is a Charles. Is that it? Charles pantsuit. Look at that. It's definitely wool. It is so nice, y'all. These are the pants. And this is, they fit perfect at the ankle. They fit perfect at the ankle. So I was excited to get this. I definitely can't wear it now. And this is just the blazer. Now I can throw the blazer on now. But this is just the blazer. Y'all see how I already rolled it up. It's something about me. I have to roll up my stuff. Child, yeah. But I haven't did anything with this because this definitely has to go to the cleaners. I'm not brave enough to wash it. It's just one or two things that y'all didn't see. So I got these. And, of course, y'all saw me try these on. Everything that I got. Everything that I pretty much tried on that y'all saw me try on that I like, I pretty much got. Y'all know I'm a jumper girl. I am a jumper girl. I love a good jumper. So, of course, I got this with all these pretty blues. Oh, this y'all did not see. I did not try this on. This was last minute. And I need to wear this. I might wear this tonight. Y'all, look at this. If this ain't old school, I can wear this with some cowboy boots. Claiborne. Yeah. And it's that light corduroy, if that makes sense. But button up, look at that. So I could wear this tonight with some cowboy boots. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, and the next thing I got, that's pretty much it. But the coup de grace, y'all already seen, honey. So when she picked it up, she was like, and I was like, girl, you gotta get it. You gotta get it. So when she went and tried it on, and she passed me a bunch of stuff to hang back that she wasn't gonna get. A bunch of stuff. She said, put this on the retire rack. So that's okay. So my mind said, go back and see what she not getting. So I'm just looking. And when I saw this hanging up there, I was like, you can't do that to her. She said, Mom, where you gonna wear that? I said, I wear the church. I be in Walmart. I be that one. You know how you see them old people dressed up in Walmart and had a jogging suit on with their heels. I said, I be in Walmart, child. I be in Walmart getting, well, you can't get toilet tissue, but I be in Walmart getting some, child. How can you leave this beauty? Y'all knew I was gonna get it. And it was only $5. Y'all knew. Anybody that been following me and know my style and know I'm kind of out there, they knew. Because when she found it, I was like, I'm at the body. I got to change shirts because I want y'all to feel like it's a new day. I got to change shirts and do another video. So with that being said, please be a solution to somebody's problem. Encourage one another in these times. Be careful, be safe, use wisdom, but do not walk in fear because God has not given us the spirit of fear, 2 Timothy 1:7, but he has given us power over everything. He has given us love to love one another, and he has given us a sound mind. So we don't have to be double-minded where we're worried about this and then we're not worried. Just stay with that sound mind, stay with the power that God has given you, and stay in love. And with that being said, be the solution. Bye. I love you guys. Be the solution.